my channel. This will be a sponsored video featuring Cranberry hair. This is a hair store on AliExpress, and they did send me their 26-inch 13x4 body wave unit. Yes, this unit is straight. So when I did go ahead and wash the unit and air dried it, it was a little of a body wave in it, but not really too much of a body wave. So my stylist that went on ahead and did my hair, which you guys will see in the next clip, all the details of the lace and everything like that, she went on ahead and straightened it, and you guys will see why she straightened it, because you can tell just by the volume of the hair, the way the hair looked. It was just better to straighten it anyway. So but just to let you guys know, the natural state is a bit of a body wave, not too much of a body wave. It's not like a heavy body wave. You can straighten this unit, as you guys can see. You can do a half up, half down look, side part. I always do a middle part, so this is what you guys see. So it looks super good. The hair is very soft. Let's just go ahead and jump right into this video, you guys, so you guys can see the full install. All right, you guys, so I moved the hair to the front just so you guys can see how soft this hair looks. It actually feels really soft as well. My hairs are going straight through this unit, so there's no tangling. And then I'm also not getting any shedding with this unit. So this just shows how good the hair is and how versatile it is, because you don't have to just keep it in its natural state. Now I will say the fullness on this unit is everything. I really love the fullness on this. I would say this is about 150% density. I could always say, you guys, every company's density is different. You may get a unit that's 150% density and it may not be super full. You may get 150% density and it is full. So I feel like with this, it's definitely not too much. You can definitely still wear it for the summertime. I don't think you will be too hot or anything like that. So this will be good for all seasons. I like the fullness all the way through. I'm not getting any type of split ends or anything like that. Like I said before, as far as baby hairs go, when I have a middle part, I strictly just do a middle part. Like, I don't move my hair all to the side and need you guys to see the baby hairs on the sides. I don't care about all that. I like a strict, true middle part. And as you guys can see with this hairline, it's most definitely natural. Like, look how far back it goes. Super, super natural. The hairline is not bleached or anything. She just put some concealer on there, and then as you guys can see, you don't detect any type of knots or anything like that. So the hair blends really, really good. So the stuff that she used on my hair, I definitely went on ahead and went to Amazon online and bought it, because I really, really love the lace glue that she uses, which is the Eben lace glue. And then also she used a palette, like a concealer palette, to blend my my hairline. So as soon as I start using those products, you guys, I will make sure I put that in the description box below, because anytime I can use new products on my hair, any type of like glues or anything like that, I definitely want to know about. And then also, as you guys can see, it is a silky but also a yucky texture feel. I feel like it's a mix between both. When you feel it, it definitely has that natural feel, but then you also get that look where it's like it's silky, but you know it's really good hair. Like, you know this is some good hair. So I like the feel of this unit as well. Now, as far as this lace goes, she didn't have any issues installing the lace, like laying it down or anything like that. It fit perfectly fine to fit my hairline. So yeah, I really don't have anything bad to say about this unit, you guys, as far as the way the wig feels. She did adjust the straps for me, so whether you're a bigger head girl, smaller head girl, I think you'll have plenty of room with this unit. But again, she did go ahead and adjust the straps for me, and I think my head is just a little bigger, on the bigger side. So I want to go back to the baby hairs, you guys, because would I suggest you do baby hairs? Yes, I will say, but if I was doing this unit by myself, I wouldn't have done the baby hairs on the side like she did. I don't mind them being on the side, but for me, you'll never see them. So you'll probably see a little bit of it, like when you see around here, but you're never gonna see all these baby hairs that's like all on the sides, because I don't like that look where it's like you moving your hair just to see the baby hairs. I just don't think that looks like a middle part. It looks weird. So that's just me though. That's just me. I like for my hair to be on my face as a true middle part. Like I said, you could do a side part, you could do a updo, you can do whatever you want with this unit, you guys. This hair does take heat very well as well, you guys. Didn't take that long for me to straighten this hair. I can even put it in big sections and I don't have to worry about it not getting straight. So this hair does take heat really well. I did dye this hair jet black, so just so you guys know, it will not come jet black. It'll come in a natural state. I would definitely suggest that you dye it jet black, because it just brings out all your features. But like I said, you guys, this hair is so silky, it's bouncy, it's soft. I don't have anything bad to say about this unit. This hair does not shed, it does not tangle. Oh, the only thing is it has a lot of flyaways. So with the flyaways, that's pretty easy though. All you have to do is just spray it with Got2b glue. You can even use hold-in spray, some mousse, you can use whatever. Oh, and it was slightly just a little bulky on this side, so she had to use like just a little bit more spritz than she did on this side. So definitely I would say the key to getting bulkiness down, it could be a couple of things. You can use a wax stick, or you can use spritz. So I noticed that stylists, a lot of times they use spritz, so I'm definitely gonna incorporate spritz in my hair routines as well when I do my, you know, do my review. Like I said it before, you guys, there was nothing bad at all to say about this unit. This unit is great. Love the versatility. Love the way it takes heat. It takes heat really good. There was no tangling, there was no shedding. Nothing bad to say about this unit at all, you guys. So I'll definitely have everything in the description box for you guys. Make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit your post notification bell so you don't miss an update. Like this video, share, and I will see you guys on my next one.